started.
Yes.
पढ़ना है, ये चैप्टर नया है, नए रेक्टिफिकेशन और एरर। चलो पढ़ते शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। द मून वॉज कमिंग ऑन इन द ईस्ट। व्हाट इज दैट?
The moon was coming up in the.
वेरी नाइस। यहाँ पर द मून वॉज कमिंग ऑन इन द, अब दो दो देखो, यहाँ पर दो दो जो प्रिपोजिशन है एक साथ है। तो द मून वॉज कमिंग अप, कमिंग अप ये फ्रेज है, तो ऑन की जगह पर आएगा अप। द मून वॉज कमिंग अप इन द ईस्ट। द स्टार्स आर शाइनिंग इन द क्लियर स्काई।
आर
Were.
यहाँ वॉज है, तो वॉज है तो आर कैसे आ गया? तो आर की जगह पर आएगा वर। वेरी गुड। In place of are. Next, there wasn't a cloud in a sky.
In the sky.
There was a cloud. The cloud.
In the sky.
Very nice.
The cloud.
A cloud, nahi, the cloud. Very good. I was flying my plane for England.
I was flying my plane to England.
हाँ, for England नहीं आएगा, to England. I was flying my plane to England. Okay, he was going, that was his destination, to England. Not England के लिए जा रहा था, वो England जा रहा था. There were storm clouds ahead for me.
There were storm clouds ahead of him.
Of me.
गलती से मैंने इसका आंसर बता दिया। ओके, सो फॉर की जगह पर आएगा ऑफ। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, इफ सॉरी, आई कुडंट फ्लू अप एंड ओवर देम। वेरी नाइस। देखो वापिस आ, वेरी गुड। कुडंट के बाद फ्लाई, फ्लू दिया यहाँ पर। ये वाली एरर अगर आती है एग्जाम में तो आपको तुरंत मिस्टेक मिल जानी चाहिए कि जब भी कुड आता है तो उसके बाद वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म ही आती है। तो फ्लाई, आई कुडंट फ्लाई अप and over them. Right answer. Here we go with the second rectification of error. Suddenly I came out of three clouds.
Is cloud.
The clouds, sorry, okay, the. तो यहाँ पर the clouds, okay, ये the clouds नहीं है। Suddenly I came out of the clouds, तो the नहीं आता है, the clouds आता है। okay, यहाँ पर एक्चुअली the जो है ना वो एक लैटिन वर्ड है, THEE, तो the नहीं आता है, the आता है। नेक्स्ट, I saw the runway of the airport.
of
the airport.
Double
OF.
F, single F आता है, of, OF. Very good. I landed in the airport safely.
to the airport.
I landed
to the
at the
airport.
I landed
at the airport.
at the airport. I landed at the airport. I landed at the airport. At है ना, जगह के लिए यूज होता है, तो एयरपोर्ट है, at the airport, at the railway station, okay, at the bus stop, so at the airport. Next, I turned to look for a black aeroplane.
I turned to look for the black aeroplane.
So not a black aeroplane but the black aeroplane. The sky was empty for nothing there.
The sky was empty with nothing there.
For की जगह पर with. I couldn't saw the plane everywhere. ये तो सिंपल है।
I couldn't see.
So की
I
जगह
couldn't see.
see. Very
See
nice.
the plane.
Very good. Very good. So these are the answers of rectification of error, dear students. Not that difficult. Okay. Bill. Here we go further. Okay. So let's work upon these fill in the blanks with appropriate words. So are you ready, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Yes, sir.
Dash the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything. Dash the airplane. Dash old plane jumped. Dash twisted. Dash the air. I looked. Dash the compass, but it had stopped working. So here we go with the answer. Dash the clouds.
Inside the cloud.
Very good. Here the appropriate word, inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything. Dash the aeroplane.
Outside the aeroplane.
Outside the aeroplane.
एक में inside आएगा, एक में outside आएगा, outside the airplane. Dash old plane.
The
The
old
old
plane.
plane.
Very
The old
good.
plane.
Jumped, dash, twisted.
And twisted.
And twisted.
And
Very good. ऊपर की बातें बताइए. Old plane
In the air.
twisted.
In the
In
air.
the air.
in the air.
In the air, I looked, dash the compass.
At,
The
at the compass.
It had stopped working. Very good. एकदम simple था. मुझे नहीं लगता इतना difficult था ये. Very nice. So that was too easy. Here we go with other example. चलिए second, third and fourth. Ready everyone?
Yes, sir.
We will directly answer. Okay, directly answer now. Dash. There was only enough fuel. Dash.
Now.
Now there was
Right.
Now.
There was only enough fuel. Dash the old.
In the old.
old Dakota.
In the old Dakota.
कहाँ किसमें enough fuel था? तो in the old Dakota's last tank to fly. Dash.
For
for
5 to 10 minutes.
So,
minutes. For
for 5 or 10 minutes more, I was starting to feel frightened. Dash
Again.
again,
then
frightened again, but dash he started.
Then he.
but then he.
But then he started to go down and I followed him.
through the
Through the
storm.
storm.
Very good.
Through the storm.
So these are the answers of your second fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Let's go on the third one. He turned his aeroplane slowly to the north in dash of my Dakota.
Front of my.
In front of the Dakota.
Front of my Dakota.
Front of my Dakota, so that it would be easier dash to me.
For me.
For me to follow.
Easier for me to follow him. I was very happy to go dash the strange.
In
Behind the.
Very good.
behind the
Behind the.
Strange aeroplane like dash obedient child.
and
And
An
obedient.
obedient.
I can obedient child.
Dash half
After.
After.
after half. The strange black aeroplane was still there in front of me. Dash the clouds.
In the
In
sky.
the
In the clouds.
क्या बात है? In the clouds. Not that difficult. Very nice. The fourth one, the last one. To, on, without, the, or, in. So who helped me dash arrive there safely?
To
arrive there.
to arrive there safely.
So who helped me
without,
to? So
without
who helped me to arrive there safely? Dash a compass.
Without the compass.
Without the compass
Or a radio.
Very good. Or a radio, and without any
in my tent.
fuel in my.
My tank.
Who was the pilot?
Of the.
on the
Who
on
On the.
on the aeroplane.
On
flying
plane
in the
flying in
Flying in storm without light.
In the.
In the
Stop.
storm.
without lights. So these are the right answer of the fill in the blanks with appropriate words, dear students. If you practice that, if you really see now, see some of the possible answers. जैसे आप पढ़ते हो तो पता चल जाता है कि यहाँ पर द आएगा, यहाँ पर आर्टिकल एन आएगा, यहाँ पर बिहाइंड आएगा, यहाँ पर विदाउट आएगा, ओके, यहाँ पर और आएगा. As you read, you come to know it's not that difficult, dear students. You just need the practice. So, dear students, we'll keep till here.